Hello, my name is Steve Hermann, and I'm the author of Mediumship Mastery, The Ultimate Guide, which is available on Amazon. It's my book on mediumship development. And the whole purpose of this YouTube channel is spirit communication. So if you're interested in expanding your mediumship, then smack that subscribe button. Mediumship is not just about bringing through humans who've passed over into the spirit world. Mediumship also involves, oftentimes, bringing through animals as part of the communication. And I know as a medium, I've certainly brought through a lot of cows, as this cow behind me will attest, but I've also brought through horses, cats, and dogs. All sorts of birds have also come through. Domestic pets are common, but there is an eternal spirit soul in the body of an animal. So the external covering may look different, but nevertheless, there is an individual in the body of the animal that continues as soul in the spirit world. And those individuals, especially if you've had some type of connection or there's a bonding of love, those individuals can come through to you. I remember one time I was in this one spiritualist church working, and I literally, the first thing I felt when I stood, I felt that there was a dog urinating on my foot and my ankle. And I began to describe the dog. And this is the thing that the dog did when it was here in the physical world. I remember another time I was in Austria doing some work, and this one New Zealand medium, he was demonstrating mediumship in this auditorium. Every single individual who he brought through, was a horse. And everybody there, they could recognize the horses. Why? Because in Austria, just like people in the States or in parts of Europe have dogs or cats as pets domestically, so many people in Austria, especially in the rural areas, have horses that are part of the family. And everyone in this particular mediumship demonstration, they could recognize the horses as he conveyed evidential information to these individuals from the spirit world. And it's one of these things, when you get into mediumship, you don't know who's going to come through or how the evidence is going to be presented. But we understand that life is eternal. And so when we work with spirit communication, it's not just about connecting with people. It's connecting with animals as well. And trust me, they will come through. So please, if you have any questions or comments, you can put them down below. And certainly hit that subscribe button. Share this with your friends if you've got questions about mediumship. I run a lot of programs on mediumship development, and I'm really into helping people with their development. So take care. God bless each and every one of you.